All right, I'm here with Mike Goodwin from Ford Performance, and this is the new FP700 truck, packing 700 horsepower with a full package from Ford Performance.
We strongly encourage everyone to keep the traction control on. The package is kind of our homage to the Ford Lightning muscle trucks from back in the day. It combines our 700 horsepower supercharger kit with a graphics package, a blacked out grille, 22-inch wheels, floor mats. Comes with the 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty to cover all your drivetrain components. It's a great overall package, great street manners. Goes down the road, AC works, everything still works. But when you hit that loud pedal, it gets to it, and right now.
Awesome. Now let's check out the heart of that package, which is the supercharger.
Woo!
That is a Whipple Gen 5 3.0. How are y'all doing the tuning on this?
This tuning is an exclusive Ford Performance calibration, right? That is going to give you the great street manners, but yet maintains that warranty. It is delivered through the Whipple Tomahawk tool, but it is Ford Performance exclusive calibration.
Gotcha. And this all comes on a pallet with everything ready to go from your dealer.
Exactly, right? You go to your Ford dealer, you order either the black or the bronze, right? Depending on which wheels and graphics you want. You can go on any 21 through 23 F-150 with the 5-liter engine. And certainly we recommend, the limited slip differential in the rear. This is a 2-wheel drive configuration. It is also available for 4-wheel drive. And if you have Pro Power on board, we have a supercharger kit that fits that as well.
So Pro Power on board, regular Coyote, 4x4, 2-wheel drive, single cab, 4-door, crew cab, everything.
Any configuration, as long as it has the 5-liter in it.
That is 700 horsepower of awesomeness.
Yes.